Hi, I'm Cash, Product Manager at Laxco Microscopes. Today I'm excited to introduce to you the Aquava Leap, the future-proof imaging platform from Laxco, designed to elevate your scientific research. Modern researchers often face rapidly evolving workflows and tools that just can't keep up. Traditional microscopes can limit your ability to adapt or expand as your project demand grows. That's where the Aqua Leap comes in. LEAP stands for Laxco Expandable Automated Platform. It's a modular, high-performance imaging system built to grow with your scientific vision. It integrates seamlessly with tools like microdissection and advanced imaging contrast methods. If you are ready to advance your imaging capabilities and ensure your research does not fall back and you have access to cutting-edge technology, Aqua Leap is the platform for you. For more details, visit laxcoinc.com and request a demo today. Thank you.